Una sa lahat, sumusuporta po ako sa administrasyon na ito na ang West Philippine Sea ay atin. Atin yan. All the shoals are the shoals that we occupy and in the area of the economic zone of the Philippines, atin yan. No ifs, no buts, no compromise. Although, having said that, we must do much more than what we're doing now. Maganda na ginawa ni Pinoy, bumili siya ng dalawang barko, meron tayong dalawang barko, meron na tayong dalawang jet plane sa dating walang jet plane. Pero is that enough? I think we should push more than what we're doing in the International Court of Justice sa Hague. I fully support that. I fully support filing a case against the Chinese in the International Court, no, at The Hague. The problem there is, pinapansin ba tayo ng China? Hindi naman. Ang dami-dami ng mga isla ginagawa nilang airport dun sa West Philippine Sea. Maybe we should take it one step further. Maybe we should do a blockade of some sort. Vietnam has successfully turned away the Chinese blitzkrieg from their waters. Why? Because with whatever little ships they had, talagang hinarap nila, talagang hinarangan nila. Tit for tat. Hindi sila natatakot. Kaya ba natin gawin yan? Right now with the resources, maybe not. Will this EDCA help us? Na nandito po yung mga Amerikano? Maybe, maybe not. Kasi unless the Americans actually do the blockade for us, baka tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung construction sa West Philippine Sea. So, but my position is, and will remain, that the West Philippine Sea is ours. We should exhaust all means to be able to stop the development of Chinese infrastructure in shores.
Right.